Hello, my name is Ava Akonda. This is my CCR number 4, and I'll be talking about how I integrated technology into my film project. So before creating our actual film opening, we explored basic film techniques like framing, camera angles, and movement, and these mini assignments helped us get more comfortable with hardware and software. So I used the iPhone 16 to film all the camera technique exercises. I used Blogger to upload my reflections and videos, CapCut to trim down my videos before uploading, and Canva to create collages of the different camera angles. These exercises gave me a foundation, and I learned how much thought goes into even basic shots and how tech helps simplify this process. So during my research phase, I studied drama openings like The Social Network and Good Will Hunting, and explored questions like how genre is conveyed, how enigma is built, and how titles/images reinforce tone. So the platforms I used include Blogger, where I posted my responses to the guided questions, Microsoft PowerPoint for my drama genre presentation, Google Forms for my target audience survey, and Canva, where I combined the results of my research and made it into an infographic. So this research helped shape my genre choice, plot direction, and characters. Our group brainstormed the concept inspired by real life, Saying Goodbye Before College, and originally it was a cheating plot, but we added a spy twist to create mystery. And the technologies we used in our planning phase include Pinterest for our mood board with outfits, color palettes, characters, locations, and vibes, Canva for our storyboard, Celtics for our final scripting, the Notes app for shot listing and organizing camera movements, and Google Docs/Word for draft writing. This tech helped us stay organized and visualize our ideas early on, even when we had to change our plans, like when one of our actors dropped out. So in bringing our film to life, we filmed at Olivia's house using an iPhone 16 with natural lighting for authenticity. I acted and helped with the set design to make sure that Anna's room felt pastel, cluttered, and symbolic of her inner emotions. The technologies we used include, of course, the iPhone 16, which we filmed using the cinematic mode, which gave it a high quality and was easy to use. Olivia's MacBook was our editing base station. We used Premiere Pro to edit the footage, add color correction, layer the sounds, and adjust the timing. And CapCut was used to add the titles and credits for our film. So Premiere Pro was a lifesaver, as Olivia has the pro version, and we could layer music, adjust sound levels, and create visual transitions. So after sharing our rough cut of our film, we got peer and teacher feedback, and people liked the twist but wanted better pacing and clear emotional beats, so we adjusted music timing and trimmed our takes. The technologies we used were Blogger, where we posted our reflections for each CCR, CapCut, where I added voiceovers to my CCR 1, 2, and 4, Canva, which I created all my visuals for my CCRs on, Microsoft Studio, which I recorded my CCR 1 on, and YouTube, which I posted all of my CCRs on.